Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. I am using some dies from Spellbinders. This is part of my Spellbinders series, and on this one it's more of a recent purchase, but I wanted to share it anyway at this time. And it's actually the Spellbinders stamp and die cutting set, and it's You Make Me Smile sentiment, and it has the smile and with the background and the shadow, and then it has this one die to cut out the sentiments here below. It looks good on you. It's your special day. It's the best medicine. It's your birthday, and you make me. So super cute sentiments. I also use some gems from my stash. These are from Pretty Pink Posh, and I use the green ones here. It's called Leaf. And let me share the cards. So first up is this super cute little small card. I use some sequins from my stash, and also use paper from 49 and Market. And this is the, I think it's called the Sweet Nothing cardstock. And then I layered it with some white basil cardstock that I get from Joann. The next card is this cute little green one. And then I used some leaves from my stash. I had them already cut out. I don't know which die set they're from. And then I used the gems from Pretty Pink Posh. And then I layered this smile up, but then I also used some dimensional stickers on it. So I think this is super sweet. I layered it with some black cardstock by Basil from Joann. So I really like this card a lot. And the next card is one where I used some paper from 49 and Market. Not 49 and Market, I'm sorry. This paper is Graphic 45, and it's Lost in Paradise collection. And I layered it with a piece of orange from my stash. And then I used some gems on there. You see them shining. And those are from Spellbinders. So those are my cards that I wanted to share with you. I'm using the stamp and die set You Make Me Smile sentiment from Spellbinders. I want to thank you all for watching, and let me know below which one is the card is your favorite. I think this orange one is my favorite because orange is my color. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.